Annyeonghaseyo, hello guys, welcome back to our vlog. I am Ara.
And I'm Yumi and we are the co-sisters for today's vlog. Ayan, another day and another ganap. I went to my friend's house pala guys. I gave her a gift. I hug her na. Paalis kasi sila ng Korea with their parents. At dali-dali na kami magpunta sa Korean school namin kasi graduation pala namin today. Sabi ng teacher ko, mag-picture kami lahat. And this my Korean classmate guy. At lahat po kami kinder. At umakyat na kami dito sa taas. Before mag-start ng program. And our teacher guide us to go to our seat. All students and parents, also visitors is also here. And our principal teacher is talking na. Kaso dili ko kasabot kay Korean man good. Well, pas man kaayo mo silti si teacher. And nagkanta pala sila dito guys. Yung visitor pala namin ay yung mga pastor. At nag-start na pala yung awarding namin. At natapos na yung event namin. At nag-picture na kami lahat. Wala kami nakuha ng award. But I'm happy po because I meet my other Korean friends and teachers. Thank you pala sa mga Korean teachers namin.
At 12 p.m. na, Appa pick up us and said that we're gonna eat outside to celebrate. At syempre, request namin ni Yumi ay yung favorite food namin. At ito pala order ni Appa, tangsoyok, jajangmyeon, and jampong. Kasama din pala namin yung Korean uncle namin. Ang sarap at busog na naman yung tiyan namin neto. Thank you Lord at thank you Appa sa masarap na food. At evening time, Appa and Yumi play Jenga while me and Kuya is studying. Pero ang kulit ni Yumi, gusto niya makipaglaro sa amin. Sabi ko stop na because I need to read. Tapos si Kuya naman nag-research. Fast forward and I asked Mommy, can I sleep in the floor? Mommy said yes. Yumi helped me but puro tawa. Panay kasi yung otot niya dyan guys at mabaho pa. Salamat sa pagtanaw. Please like, follow, and share po.
That's all guys. Thank you for watching. See you in our next vlog. Bye!